Welcome to U-Haul. Let's talk about your complete tow package. So let's discuss your vehicle's trailer wiring. It is required by law to have trailer lights when pulling a trailer. The first thing to know when selecting trailer wiring is the type of connection you require. Most trailers, including U-Haul trailers, have a 4-way flat trailering connection. We also offer a wide variety of wiring kits including 5, 6, and 7-way options that are commonly found on boats, horse, and camper trailers. U-Haul offers premium quick connect options for a wide range of vehicles that provide customers with factory-like installation. Quick connect technology offers a high-quality, no-splice wiring kit that fits almost all towing vehicles. U-Haul also sells a standard universal wiring kit with scotch lock technology that can be implemented on existing wiring to connect your vehicle lighting functions to your trailer. To select the right wiring kit for your vehicle, visit uhaulhitches.com or step into any of our U-Haul location stores to check out our Quick Connect guidebook and discuss the exact needs with a U-Haul expert.